Scattergories. You can only have up to 4 people. Each have a little folder here, and everybody gets these lists. There are 16 of them, so everybody has the same list, and they keep them to the side here, and we roll our fancy little 24-sided die because most of the letters of the alphabet are represented on them. So we roll them here, and we have an F. So I'm going to look at my list, and I'm going to try to think of things that start with the letter F that fit that category. So the first one is a boy's name. Notice how there are 3 columns. So I would have Fred, Frank, and Francisco.
Ooh.
And I could choose to come up with as many as I can for one, or I can move down the list. So I see cities, I think of Fresno, I look down and I see things that are cold, a freezer, so on and so forth. Sometimes I might get to one where I'd like things in a coffee bar. I would have to be like, I don't know, so I just keep going. Once the timer is up, which I should have flipped, then me and all my teammates will share what words we came up with. If anybody also said Fred, then that doesn't point. But if I'm the only person who came up with Frank, then I get a point. So on and so forth, and then you will total up your score here. The person who has the most points wins.
That's a fun game.
Categories.